plants and animals across the British Isles have well and truly woken up to our spring-like temperatures, but it isn't spring, and in fact over the next 2 or 3 days it's going to get colder as we start to see a change in the wind direction. For the moment there's quite a bit of cloud across the British Isles. What breaks we have to the northwest of England and also in the eastern counties of England will probably stay with us through the afternoon, otherwise it's a rather cloudy picture. The change coming in from the west as we start to see weather fronts get a little bit closer. As we move through the weekend, we see these weather fronts sweep across the British Isles and eventually a return to more seasonal type temperatures. More importantly, we are going to see a return to some frost during the night time. Now tonight and probably tomorrow night there won't be a frost, but as we move through the weekend, the frost in the north will transfer southwards. So Sunday night and Monday night we're going to see quite a widespread frost, particularly in those southern parts of England. Now for the moment we have a weather system right out in the west here. It's causing us a few problems because there's a lot of wriggles on it and it's wriggling about. Eventually it will push southwards, but for the moment it holds itself out to the west of Northern Ireland and up across the northwestern parts of Scotland. Now here it's going to become quite breezy through the rest of the afternoon and overnight tonight as that front gets a little bit closer. And in general there's a lot of cloud, as you can see. Perhaps the best of the breaks from South Yorkshire down towards East Anglia, perhaps some near the Isle of Man, the northwest of England, but always a lot of cloud coming into those west-facing coasts. That's bringing a few spots of light rain or drizzle. Now we're looking at temperatures 12 or 13 degrees, but over the next few days it is going to get cooler. More rain coming back into the northwest then overnight tonight as that weather front gets it just that little bit closer, but pulses of rain because the systems are rather reluctant to get in, and also with a few breaks in the cloud down here in the southeast, we're likely to see a little bit of mist and fog. Lowest temperatures 4 or 5 degrees. Now Friday's forecast brings more rain into the west, the best of the brightness in the east. That weather front reluctant to get into the central and southern parts of Scotland, quite breezy up in the far north. And then for the weekend, well, Saturday and Sunday turns much colder, 9s and 10s, and also a little bit of sunshine in the south. That's the forecast. Bye for now.